Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Are you looking for best travel suitcases? Don't worry, go through the video. Here you will find all the latest and the best travel suitcases of all time. If you like the product and want to buy them, then go through the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name: Classic All-Aluminum Alloy Luggage. The Classic All-Aluminum Alloy Luggage is a premium travel solution designed to combine durability, functionality, and timeless style. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this luggage offers exceptional strength and resilience, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of travel for years to come. Featuring universal wheels, this suitcase provides smooth and effortless maneuverability, allowing travelers to navigate airports, train stations, and city streets with ease. The 20-inch size makes it ideal for both short trips and longer journeys, offering ample storage space while remaining compact and convenient. This luggage is suitable for both men and women, with a design that exudes sophistication and elegance. Whether you're a frequent traveler or embarking on a special trip, the Classic All-Aluminum Alloy Luggage promises to elevate your travel experience with its combination of durability, functionality, and timeless design. Product 2. Product name: Carry Love Aluminum Trolley Suitcase. The Carry Love Aluminum Trolley Suitcase offers travelers a blend of durability, style, and convenience for their journeys. Available in sizes ranging from 20-inch to 29 inches, this suitcase caters to various travel needs, whether it's a short weekend getaway or an extended vacation. Crafted from aluminum, it boasts robustness to withstand the rigors of travel, ensuring your belongings stay protected throughout your trip. Its waterproof design adds another layer of protection, safeguarding your essentials from unexpected spills or adverse weather conditions. The metallic finish not only enhances its aesthetics but also adds a touch of sophistication to your travel gear. Equipped with a trolley system and wheels, maneuvering this suitcase through crowded airports or bustling city streets becomes effortless. The telescopic handle allows for easy adjustment according to your height preferences, ensuring comfortable handling during transit. The interior of the Carry Love Aluminum Trolley Suitcase is thoughtfully designed to maximize packing space while keeping items organized. Multiple compartments, pockets, and straps help secure clothing, accessories, and other belongings. Product 3. Product name: Mixi Trolley Suitcase. The Mixi Trolley Suitcase is a versatile travel companion designed to cater to modern travelers' needs. With its front laptop pocket, it seamlessly blends functionality with convenience, allowing travelers to easily access their electronic devices during their journey. Its wide handle ensures comfortable grip and smooth maneuverability through crowded airports or bustling streets. Crafted with durable materials, including a PC aluminum frame, this suitcase offers both reliability and style. Available in sizes such as 20-foot for carry-on convenience and 24. For extended trips, it caters to various travel requirements. Its sleek design appeals to both men and women, making it a suitable choice for a diverse range of travelers. Overall, the Mixi Trolley Suitcase combines practical features with durable construction, making it an ideal companion for modern-day adventurers. Whether embarking on a short business trip or a long-awaited vacation, this suitcase promises to streamline your travel experience while keeping your belongings safe and organized. Product 4. Product name: Aluminum Frame Travel Suitcases. Aluminum frame travel suitcases represent the epitome of durability, functionality, and style in the realm of luggage. Crafted with lightweight yet robust aluminum frames, these suitcases offer superior protection for your belongings while withstanding the rigors of travel. Their sleek and modern design not only exudes sophistication but also ensures practicality with features like universal wheels for effortless maneuverability and trolley handles for easy navigation through busy airports and city streets. The PC polycarbonate box construction further enhances their resilience against impact and abrasion, making them ideal companions for both leisure and business travelers alike. Available in various sizes ranging from 20 to 26 inches, these carry-ons cater to diverse travel needs, whether it's a short business trip or an extended vacation. Designed to meet the demands of modern-day travelers, aluminum frame travel suitcases offer ample storage space, smart organizational compartments, and TSA-approved locks for enhanced security. Their versatility, coupled with a masculine appeal, makes them a preferred choice among men seeking both practicality and style in their luggage options. Product 5 Spinner Luggage Suitcase. The Spinner Luggage Suitcase, represented by the Best Spinner Luggage Suitcase PC Trolley Case Travel Bag Rolling, will carry on boarding Men-Women Luggage Trip Journey H80002, is a modern and convenient solution for travelers seeking ease and efficiency during their journeys. Unlike traditional suitcases, Spinner Luggage features 4 multidirectional wheels, allowing for smooth and effortless maneuverability in any direction. This design significantly reduces the strain on the traveler's arm and wrist, making it ideal for navigating busy airports, train stations, or city streets. The Best Spinner Luggage Suitcase PC Trolley Case, with its durable polycarbonate construction, offers both lightweight portability and robust protection for your belongings. Its sleek and contemporary design appeals to both men and women, making it a versatile choice for a wide range of travelers. Additionally, the carry-on size ensures compatibility with most airlines' overhead compartments, eliminating the need to check luggage and potentially saving time and hassle. With ample storage space and organizational features, such as interior compartments and compression straps, this Spinner luggage enables efficient packing and easy access to your essentials while on the go. Its sturdy telescopic handle and TSA-approved combination lock provide added security and peace of mind throughout your journey.